bright opportunity in each new day. Every day may not be good, but there is good in every day. A heartwarming morning to respected Managing Director, Principal Ma'am, Director Ma'am, all the esteemed teachers, parents and my dear friends. With smiles as bright as morning sun, we students of our class 5W welcome you all to today's enlightening annual function. Today, let's embrace the day with memories of our former Prime Minister, Mr. Lal Bahadur Shastri.
Before starting our today's show, on the behalf of my class 5W, I would like to extend a heartfelt gratitude to our respected Managing Director, Principal Ma'am and Director Ma'am for providing us balanced education that helps in improving both mentally and physically. Special thanks to all my teachers who helped and guided us in preparing this show. They have encouraged and supported us in every way. Friends, now watch our annual function with open hearts. Our class children have prepared it with great enthusiasm. Our show is going to have a range of activities like morning prayer, thought of the day, followed by a skit which will reflect the honesty of Mr. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Through the group discussion, we will come across that Shastri was a man of great integrity and leadership. You will be entertained with the charming rock song, followed by an instrumental performance and an energetic group dance.
Now please stand up and take your position. Put your right hand on your left shoulder and get ready for the pledge.
Oh God, I offer you my studies, thoughts, words, and actions of this day. Enlighten my mind, strengthen my memory, and guide me to do what's right. Amen. Starting your day in gratitude will give you the right attitude for the rest of your day. So now it's time for thought of the day. Thought of the day is discipline and united action are the real source of strength for their nation. I repeat my thought. Discipline and united action are the real source of strength for their nation. Thank you. Poetry has a unique ability to convey complex emotions, thoughts in a powerful form. So get ready for an English poem.
Shastri Lal Bahadur, as soft as butter, but as hard as steel. He was for peace, but marched forward in war. He won the hearts of farmers and also that of soldiers. Shastri Lal Bahadur knew well we are all in the theatre and we are to play our parts to save others. Individual identity has nothing to do but to establish the truth. Truth is our land, truth is our sovereignty, truth is our free and free to do anything for our welfare. Each man is the ambassador of peace and each man reflects his own eyes. Thank you. Poetry is an integral part of the Indian cultural heritage. It offers a powerful means of emotional expressions. Now we all are going to recite a Hindi poem. पैदा हुआ उसी दिन जिस दिन बापू ने था लिया जन्म, भारत पाक युद्ध में जिसने तोड़ दिया दुनिया का भ्रम। एक रहा है भारत हमारा, एक सदा ही रहेगा, युगों युगों से रहेगा इसमें भाषा भाग चाहे में। आस्था और विश्वास अनेकों होते हैं भारत के, लेकिन मानवता मानव की सदा ही ने। गुण थे जिसमें खूब भरे, कर्मों से थे बड़े महान, बच्चों
the words of wisdom by our former Prime Minister, Mr. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Today, she bring here to play the role of Shastri Ji. My dear countrymen, I am the second Prime Minister of India. I am also known as Gudrika Lal. My childhood name is Nadhe. I shared my birthday with Mahatma Gandhi. Having inspired from Bapu, I joined the freedom movement in my early age. I led India in a war against Pakistan in 1965. During the war, to raise funds, I requested my country to have only one meal in a day, and my country followed me. I made India aware regarding contribution of army as well as farmers. That's why I gave the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Thank you. Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. A great leader motivates people to be successful. He does not force anyone to follow him, but due to his actions, people follow him. And today, we are talking about one of such great leaders, Mr. Lal Bahadur Shastri.
Discipline and united action are the real source of strength for the nation. These words are Discipline and united action are the real source of strength for the nation. These words were spoken by the Prime Minister.
He was simple but a brave person who had major role in guiding India towards its independence. He was born October 2nd, 1904, Mughal Sarai in Uttar Pradesh. His father's name was Sharda Prasad and his mother's name was Ram Dulari Devi. Lal Bahadur Shastri was the second Prime Minister of India after Jawaharlal Nehru. He was devoted follower of Mahatma Gandhi. Lal Bahadur Shastri participated in Quick Indian Movement, Salt Movement and Non-Cooperation Movement. Mahatma Gandhi's political teachings had a strong influence on Lal Bahadur Shastri. He decided at once to give up his studies in response to Mahatma's call. He joined to politics as a follower of Gandhi. Lal Bahadur Shastri was 16 years old when Gandhiji asked his countrymen to join the non-cooperation movement. He has given the slogan of Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan and helps to make India united.
Shastriji also awarded the prestigious Bharat Ratna for his contributions.
He was chosen to serve in the first cabinet of Republic of India after India's independence in 1947 as Minister of Railways and Transport.
He earned the title of Shastri, which means the man of learning. He got this title after completing his education from Kashi Vidyapeeth. He was a senior leader of the Indian National Congress Party. He joined the Indian independence movement in 1920s.
He was the first who introduced water cannons to stop the angry mob instead of lathi charge.
We believe in peace and peaceful development, not only for ourselves but for people all over the world. He passed away in Tashkent, Uzbekistan in the year 1966.
Every year, his death anniversary is celebrated as Lal Bahadur Shastri Samriti Divas.
Honesty is a core value of Lal Bahadur Shastri. Everyone in India loved him the most. Thank you.
Shastriji will always be remembered as a symbol of honesty, dedication and simplicity. Despite of many challenges in his childhood, he studied hard and became a prominent figure. Now a short skit based on his dedication for education. Scene 1. Children reach school in the morning. Bahadur crosses the river and reaches school a little late. Children in the class are waiting for a teacher. Teacher comes to class.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Children, today I asked you to bring your English book. Have you all brought it?
Yes, sir.
All the children say yes, but Bahadur does not bring the book.
Bahadur,
Yes, sir.
If you will not bring the book tomorrow, I will not let you sit in the class.
Sir, I will bring my English book tomorrow. Please give me 1 day's time.
Okay, sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Teacher teaches the lesson. Children listen carefully and understand.
Now children, your class gets over.
Thank you, sir.
When school ends, Bahadur calls out to a child in his class.
Friend, can you give me your English book for 1 day?
English book? No, Bahadur. Sir has asked all the children to bring books tomorrow.
Anyone who will not bring will be scolded again like you.
Friend, I will return the book to you tomorrow as soon as I will come to school.
Okay, take it. But remember to bring it tomorrow.
Okay.
Bahadur sits and writes the whole book in his notebook. He does not sleep the whole night. Seeing Bahadur doing all this, his friend passing by and asked him,
Bahadur, what are you doing sitting here? There is no light in your house?
Actually, I don't have a book. So I'm writing the book in my notebook. In the morning, the teacher will give us English lesson.
Okay, Bahadur. See, too, all the children are sitting in the class waiting for the teacher. Then teacher comes.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Please sit down.
Thank you, sir. The teacher starts reading the lesson. All the children listen carefully. And then the teacher noticed that Bahadur had not brought the book even today.
Bahadur,
Yes, sir.
you have not brought the book even today?
Sir, actually, sorry, sir. Before Bahadur could say anything, other child got up and told the whole story.
Sir, Bahadur sat down yesterday and brought the entire book in this notebook because he did not have money to buy the book. Oh, I'm sorry, Bahadur. I scolded you. Okay, tell me, what do you want to become when you will grow up?
Sir, when I grow up, I would like to contribute to the independence of our country like Gandhiji.
Your ideas are very good. You will definitely achieve success one day when you will grow up.
Thank you, sir.
If you need any help, please let me know. I will always support you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
If
We work hard, we will definitely get success. Thank you.
now Shreshtika, Shubhreen and Vanya are going to sing a beautiful song.
Sometimes I'm not sure who I am, or even if I'm where I'm supposed to be. Grateful for all of my memories, starting to feel like I need new air. Today isn't my forever. I'm always changing for the better. I listen closely to my soul to know what I'm gonna let go. And every single day I'm looking forward, be brave, embrace change, taking steps into the unknown, breaking free, finding clarity, what's best for me. I will find my way, and every single day I'll find my way, every single day. Thank you.
Dance is an important
melody. It uses movement and rhythm to communicate ideas. Now it's time for a stunning classical dance performance.
वंदे
to the brave souls who fought for the freedom of our country. Now, students of my class are going to sing a Hindi song.
Instrumental music serve as a universal language connecting people. So let us watch an instrumental performance.
Celebrates diversity and encourages mutual respect and acceptance. Dancing in a group setting and also reduce stress and promoting overall mental and emotional wellness. So now enjoy group dance.
और एक जवान, एक कर्म का कर्ज तो दूसरा अपने धर्म का कर्ज निभाता है। मेरी लाज रखने वाले इन दोनों बेटों को इस धरती माँ और मेरा यानी कि इस मिट्टी का सलाम।
सुनहरा जिसका हर दिल में बसेरा, जिसका बस नाम है कभी है सबस देश है मेरा। हाँ, जिसकी मिट्टी को सलामी देता है उजला सवेरा, जिसका बस नाम है कभी है सबस देश है मेरा। खेतों से सरहद तक गांव शहर सब बोले एक बोल रे, मेरे देश की धरती ओ मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती, मेरे देश की धरती ओ मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती, मेरे देश की धरती ओ मेरे देश की धरती। मिट्टी में तेरे